My adaptation here was very nice. I had to support the teammates, the staff, and all this for more easier for me. In the field, the football, it's normally in our world. I play in Brazil, I play in Indonesia, I play in Vietnam, I play in Thailand, it's the same. I love play football and I love score. The football players need time. I arrived in Nusantara 5 days before the boot the league. It's not easy. In the first match, I didn't know the names of my friends. It's not easy. After second week, when I started score. My team, adapting with my game. I adapted how my teammates playing in the field. It's more easy. Natural goals come normally. Bro, I'm thinking when I score, me not the best player, and when I'm not score, me not the worst player. I believe in work hard every day. Understand? I work hard in my top every day for my level stay all time high level. I think this is I believe this. I believe in work hard. And I think this true because now I stay in the top score the Liga. This goal is very important for me. My first bicycle goal. You will not see this every day. And in the moment the goal, I see Cardinata assist me, and I need finish, and I've choice the volley in the moment, and I'm finishing with bicycle movement. It's so good for me because I score. I love Boyolali. I like the messages, the support in my Instagram. I receive many messages all days, and I like the peoples. I like Indonesian person because take care of me, and I love Boyolali. Big kiss for Boyolali. Yeah? My focus is to finish well in Nusantara. Because I stay fighting for the golden boots, the Liga, and I want to win. I want to win this award, but I know Nusantara is staying in relegation phase, and I not want go down for League 3. I'm staying in Nusantara. I want work hard with my teammates for stay in the team in Liga, and I work hard because I'm fighting for golden boots. It's very important for all players, and now I'm top scorer, and I go fighting every day for this. Bro, I want to choose the two things, because I want win the golden boots in my debut season in Indonesia, and I want stay with Nusantara in Liga 2. It's very important for the club, and it's very important for me. Individual awards, it's very important for my career, but I go fighting every day for Nusantara staying in Liga do Sul. Brazilian play in Indonesia. I want to play with Jaime because he's the best friend here. He staying solo near my home, and he helped me a lot. And he a big defender, have big career in Indonesia. I like him a lot, and maybe we can go for Nusantara and Ronaldinho Gaúcho, because they're my favorite player. And maybe Ronaldinho Gaúcho come to Nusantara, Lali persons and Indonesian persons. It's crazy because this guy is my favorite player, and your dribbling, your goals, your assist. Maybe he play in Nusantara with me, I score 50 goals because this guy is crazy. It's the other world.
Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo?
For me, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo or Ronaldinho?
Ronaldo Fenômeno?
Yeah.
Or Ronaldinho? Ronaldinho.
Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
Pep Guardiola or Jurgen Klopp?
Pep.
Singing or dancing? Singing?
Dancing.
Dancing.
Of course, dancing, bro.
Miss a penalty or score on goal?
Score on goal. Of course.
Tea or coffee?
Tea. But I don't like tea, I don't like coffee.
What do you like?
I like juice.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs. Oh, difficult, bro. But boy alive.